Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is a Thursday, March 7, 2024. Right now it's already 9:34 p.m. And so first, let's look at what happened today. So last night, while I was making doing the video update, the market kind of broke down here, and I said at that time thinking about it will likely go below here, and actually, so the chart that I have this all this level was updated, recalibrated tonight. But if you go back to look at the old chart, and it dropped down to this level, it actually hit this 5080 level, and that sharp drop is like a falling knife, but only to see it bounce back so quickly, and it seems like almost like in a bigger scale, it's like it's kind of non-stop going all the way up to the top here. So this is kind of really dramatic, and thinking about this this 5086 level, and we are talking about almost like 90 points. Yeah, almost not 90 points, but over 80 points kind of sharp move here. And so the market did not open down, as I mentioned, like the gap down, it did not. So it actually let me see, it actually gap up. It did gap. The only difference is it gap up, and after it gap up, it came back down and it moved sharply higher, and but later come back down and touch the high of yesterday, and then from there it seems like found the footing, and then keep going higher. And the retrace has been relatively shallow, I would say. Well, it's kind of horrific, like at the beginning here, and don't really know where to go. But apparently it was able to move, kind of break above this zone, and even though it come back to try here, and it never kind of really get below this level, 5125. So that's that's a really good run here. It's if we think about from like a 5125 to 5165. Well, actually from the closing here all the way to the top here, that's kind of 60 points move. And tomorrow it could move another 60 points again. So it would be interesting to see how things going to manifest overnight, and where it's going to kind of position itself for the opening. I mean, not really say for the opening, for the non-farm payroll data release. And actually tonight, as of right now, is Biden's union address is going on right now, and market seems to be really kind of calm at this point. So, but tomorrow, while it's get into the non-farm payroll release at 8:30, I believe overnight there will be some big moves sometime here, and the level would be like 51.65 and 51.15. So those are the two very important levels that I would pay attention to. And corresponding level, this 51 in future, there's a 51.69, and down here is a 51.54. So yeah, kind of breaking out on either side likely is going to make quite some move. So tomorrow is Friday, and sometimes I probably want to say that don't think too much what day is tomorrow, and don't have much kind of pre-formed opinion. And even for the economic calendar, it's more like understanding in terms of timing rather than kind of like freaking out or kind of trying to understand what it's released and things like that. As I updated yesterday, it seems like lots of kind of things happen during the day, like an economic release and also Fed speech and things like that, and of course also Fed Powell's testimony. So, but the market seems like there's some like important timing here, but that's how it react. Probably, I would say more important to understand that those important time period may have a dramatic move than actually kind of like worrying about it. So this is coming over to the calendar, and so tomorrow is like a first one that in US is I probably should pay some attention to other countries, but let's kind of stay focus on whatever happened in US. And 7 o'clock is a speech from Fed Williams, and then will be kind of 8:30. So I have the non-farm payroll reports coming out at 8:30, and there's a bunch of like the data and coming out, and certainly these are kind of average weekly hours and all the things will somewhat kind of like showing the economic strength and sometimes also tied to the inflation expectation as well. So, and after that is like at 12 o'clock, there's another report coming out. And then 1 o'clock have a oil rig count. And pretty much that's it. So from the calendar perspective, it seems like it's going to be a pretty straightforward, hopefully peaceful day after 8:30, and so that means the market could move like a directional or probably just very calm and not going anywhere and kind of in some like a small range. And especially it's a Friday, but again I'm trying to kind of warn myself forming any preconceived like a idea here. So just probably the best is that kind of go with the market in the moment. So we'll see how the market going to go tomorrow, and especially probably of course the significant moment is at 8:30. With all that said, best of luck to everyone. May the energy be with you all time. Thank you.